Today, I'm going to share with you my review of FreeCAD 1, the latest release of this free and open source CAD software. This version has been praised for major improvements in stability, parametric design, and new workbenches, making it one of the most reliable and capable updates yet. One of the biggest highlights is the improved stability. Compared to older releases, FreeCAD 1 runs with far fewer crashes, and the parametric system is now much more robust. This is huge for anyone working with complex models. The addition of the assembly workbench is another major milestone, allowing for better multi-part designs, while upgrades to the part design and CAM workbenches give users more options for CNC machining and detailed part creation. Being open source and free, FreeCAD offers a powerful alternative to expensive proprietary CAD tools. Users get full control of their data, and developers can even extend functionality with Python or C++ integration, which has built a very active and supportive community around the software. Of course, FreeCAD still comes with challenges. The interface remains basic and not always intuitive, especially for beginners. With so many workbenches, finding the right tool can feel overwhelming. The parametric system, while powerful, can also be fragile, sometimes making changes breaks earlier features, requiring manual fixes. And visually, the software still lags behind commercial solutions, with mediocre rendering and UI design. So, who is FreeCAD 1 for? If you're a hobbyist or a beginner, it's a fantastic way to get started with CAD without spending a dime, as long as you're ready for the learning curve. Linux users will also appreciate its strong support, while developers and power users can take advantage of its open source flexibility. Tip: start small, master one workbench at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.